Welcome to our video on 7 incredible drinks for brain focus and memory. Have you ever felt like your brain just doesn't cooperate when you need it the most? Whether it's during an important exam, a big presentation, or a crucial decision, staying sharp can be a challenge. You're not alone. Many of us struggle with focus and memory in our busy daily lives. But what if boosting your brain power could be as simple as sipping the right drink? In this video, we'll uncover 7 amazing drinks, backed by science, that can enhance focus, improve memory, and supercharge your mental performance. Ready to discover what they are? Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 7 is coffee. For a lot of people, that first cup of coffee is a daily ritual to shake off the brain fog in the morning. But only a few realize that coffee does more than just wake you up. In your coffee drink is a compound called caffeine. Generally, caffeine changes how your brain works. When you sip your coffee, caffeine races to your brain and blocks a sleep-promoting chemical called adenosine. Studies show caffeine might also help your brain in the long run. Regular coffee drinkers often have better memory and thinking skills. Some research even suggests coffee might lower the risk of brain diseases as we age. To experience the brain-boosting benefits of coffee, drink roughly around 300 to 400 milligrams of caffeine. However, the effects of caffeine vary from person to person. Some people feel great with just 1 cup, while others can handle more. Listen to your body and find what works for you. Sliding into number 6 is green tea. Green tea has been providing relaxation to people in Asia since ancient times. But it's not just your usual chill-out drink. Turns out, green tea has some hidden brain health benefits too. Unlike coffee, which can make you jittery, green tea offers a gentler lift. It still has caffeine, but less than coffee. This means you'll still get alert without being overstimulated. But the advantage of green tea comes from a special ingredient called L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid that helps you feel calm and focused at the same time. When these duo are paired, you will remain alert but not anxious. A study from the journal Frontiers found that this team-up of L-theanine and caffeine in green tea can make you more attentive and improve your memory. Additionally, it also has something called EGCG. This is a type of antioxidant that can get into your brain. It helps protect your brain cells and might even fight off diseases that hurt your memory as you age. To get the most out of green tea, experts say drinking about 3 to 5 cups a day is the sweet spot. A study in the Journal of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry found that people who drank green tea did better on attention and memory tasks compared to coffee drinkers. That doesn't mean you should ditch your coffee, but it might be worth adding some green tea to your day. At number 5, we have berry smoothies. First, let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are packed with tiny helpers called antioxidants. These antioxidants in your body act as a defense to maintain healthy cells intact. When the brain is being used, it creates something called free radicals. Free radicals can damage your brain cells. This is where berries come to the rescue. Different berries have different types of antioxidants. Blueberries are full of something called anthocyanins, which give them their blue color. Strawberries have lots of vitamin C, and blackberries are rich in ellagic acid. All of these work together to protect your brain. Studies show that eating berries regularly can help improve your memory. One big review found that berries are especially good for your short-term and long-term memory. Berry juice or smoothies are the way to go when you're in a hurry, but snacking on whole berries is actually better. When you eat whole berries, you get fiber and other substances that help your body use the antioxidants better. How many berries should you eat? 1 cup of mixed berries each day is a good goal. This gives your brain a nice mix of different antioxidants. Coming in at number 4 is kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented drink made from black tea, sugar, bacteria, and yeast. But what makes kombucha special is that it's full of probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that can help keep your gut healthy. However, why should we care about gut health when we're talking about the brain? Well, it turns out your gut and brain can communicate with each other. Scientists call this the gut-brain axis. It's like a two-way street where your gut sends messages to your brain and vice versa. So, how do the probiotics in kombucha fit into this picture? These friendly bacteria might help improve this gut-brain communication. When your gut is happy and healthy, it can send better signals to your brain. This could potentially help with things like memory and thinking skills. Kombucha also contains things called polyphenols. These are compounds that might help reduce inflammation in your body, including your brain. Less inflammation could mean better brain function. But remember, we need more research to know for sure how much this helps. If you want to try kombucha for its potential brain benefits, there are a few things to keep in mind. Make sure you're getting it from a good source. Properly made kombucha is safe, but it needs to be prepared and stored correctly. Always keep it in the fridge to prevent any bad bacteria from growing. In the end, while we can't say for sure that kombucha will supercharge your brain, it's a tasty drink that might give your gut-brain connection a little boost. And a happy gut often means a happy brain. At number 3 are vegetable juices. Many of us don't eat enough greens to support our diet. It can also be hard to fit in all those servings of vegetables every day. That's where green juices come in handy. They make it easy to get a big dose of brain-boosting nutrients in just one glass. These greens contain folate, a B vitamin that is super important for your brain cells. It helps your cells communicate with each other better. When you don't get enough folate, it can make it harder to think clearly and remember things. Another brain helper in green juices is lutein. This is what gives some veggies their green color. Studies also show that people with more lutein in their brains often have better memory and thinking skills. Juicing can make some nutrients easier for your body to use, but it also takes out some of the fiber. That's why it's good to have both juices and whole veggies in your diet. So, what's the best way to make a brain-boosting green juice? Here's a simple recipe to try. Blend spinach, kale, cucumber, and apple. This mix gives you a bunch of vitamins and antioxidants that your brain loves. The apple adds a bit of sweetness to make it taste good. You can also mix and match different green veggies to keep things interesting. Try adding some celery, parsley, or even a bit of ginger for extra flavor. The key is to have a variety. Since different veggies have different nutrients, mixing them up gives your brain a wider range of helpers. How often should you drink green juice? Experts say having some every day is great. It's not about replacing all your veggies with juice. It's about adding more brain-friendly nutrients to your diet. Studies suggest that the nutrients in green veggies can help protect your brain cells from damage. This could mean better memory and thinking skills as you get older. Our countdown through brain-friendly drinks isn't over yet. Up next, we're going to spice things up with a golden elixir that's been used for thousands of years. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 is turmeric. You've probably used turmeric to add flavor to your food, but did you know it might also spice up your brain power? Scientists have found that this common spice can get into your brain in a way that most foods can't. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in cooking and medicine. It's what gives curry its bright yellow color. But the important ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin. This is what makes turmeric so special for your brain. Curcumin, an antioxidant, protects your brain cells from damage. It also fights inflammation in your body and brain. Just like other anti-inflammatory drinks, less inflammation can mean better brain health. Additionally, curcumin can increase a protein in your brain called BDNF. Think of BDNF as brain fertilizer. It helps your brain grow new connections and maybe even new brain cells. More BDNF could mean better memory and thinking skills. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by our body. To fix it, mix turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper has something called piperine that helps your body absorb curcumin much better. It's like giving curcumin a special pass to get into your body. Another good trick is to have turmeric with some healthy fat, like olive oil or coconut milk. Fat helps your body absorb curcumin too. So a turmeric latte made with coconut milk and a dash of black pepper could be a great brain-boosting drink. Finally, at number 1 is water. You might think you know all about water, but did you know it's like a superpower for your brain? Did you know your brain has about 75% water? That's right. This means water isn't just important for your brain, it's essential. When you don't drink enough water, your brain starts to slow down. You might feel tired, have trouble focusing, or find it hard to remember things. These are all signs that your brain is thirsty. Even being a little dehydrated can make your brain work harder to do simple tasks. But when you drink enough water, amazing things happen in your brain. Water helps carry oxygen to your brain cells, which need oxygen to work well. It also helps your brain get rid of waste and toxins. A study from the Journal of Cognitive Enhancement found people who drank water before a test did better than those who didn't. They were faster at answering questions and made fewer mistakes. Another study found that being just 2% dehydrated can affect your ability to pay attention and your short-term memory. So how much water should you drink to keep your brain happy? Most experts say about 8 cups or 2 liters a day is a good goal, but this can change based on things like how active you are, how hot it is, and your body size. A good rule is to drink water throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty. Here are some easy ways to drink more water. 1. Keep a water bottle with you all day. 2. Drink a glass of water with each meal. 3. Eat fruits and veggies with high water content, like watermelon or cucumbers. 4. Try adding a slice of lemon or lime to your water for flavor. Other drinks like tea or juice can count towards your daily water intake too. But be careful with drinks that have caffeine or alcohol, as they can actually make you lose water. How do you know if you're drinking enough? One easy way is to check your pee. If it's light yellow or clear, you're probably well hydrated. If it's dark yellow, you might need to drink more water. And there you have it, these 7 incredible drinks for brain focus and memory. Coffee, green tea, berry smoothies, kombucha, vegetable juices, turmeric, and water. Try adding these drinks to your daily routine. Mix and match to find what works best for you. Taking care of your brain is one of the best things you can do for your overall health. By choosing the right drinks, you're giving your mind the fuel it needs to stay sharp and focused. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and share it with others who care about their brain health. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more wellness tips. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these brain-boosting drinks will you try first? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Also, if you'd like to show your appreciation, please consider sending us a super thanks. Every bit of support helps us continue bringing you valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.